Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. LIC HFL 2024, those who are going to give the interview, उन लोगों के लिए कुछ important चीजें हैं that what are the things you need to carry on the day of your interview. क्या क्या documents आपको carry करना है. Also, do you need to carry the resume or CV with you? Answer is no. LIC have issues one data sheet. उन्होंने एक data sheet issue की है which is available on your mail. If you have not able to find it, you can get it from my Telegram group. GA Genius by Aditya sir, or from the Telegram group of Guidely. It is available there. You need to download that data sheet. You need to fill it for the day of your interview. मैं आपको वो भी गाइड कर दूंगा कि आपको डेटा शीट कैसे फिल करनी है. So repeating again, one very important thing, you will not be allowed to give the interview without this data sheet and the important document which you need to carry on the day of interview. मैं आपको complete list दे रहा हूँ, देख लीजिएगा. One important information, our RRB PO interview batch is live. You can join the batch costing around 1500 rupee with 2 mock interview. And I'll be taking 15 plus live classes dedicated for the preparation of RRBPO interview 2024. So you can join it. Now, point number one, what you need to do is candidate, those who are selected, selected for the interview, they are actually applying for a particular state. So in the data sheet, they ask you to fill the preference. उन्होंने preference मांगा है. Don't fill the preference of 2-3 state. ऐसा मत करना कि आपने you have applied it from Karnataka and you are filling the preference that Andhra because you belongs to Andhra, so Andhra, and after that Maharashtra and then Karnataka. Don't fill like this. They're asking you the city name in the preference. I'll give you that idea as well. ठीक है, तो आप particular एक state से apply कर रहे हैं and in that state mostly you will get posted in the same state only. ठीक है, ये पहला point है. Now what are the document you need to carry for the day of interview? फटाफट से बात करेंगे. One thing will be interview call letter. It is already out. I hope all of you have downloaded it. तो आपको क्या करना है, पहला है आपके पास interview call letter with the recent self attested photo. So your photograph you need to paste and cross signature you need to do. आपको अपने खुद के सिग्नेचर करने, उसका मतलब होता है सेल्फ अटेस्टेड. इन द लास्ट वीडियो पीपल वर आस्किंग सेल्फ अटेस्टेड मीन सिग्नेचर साइंड बाय whom. सेल्फ अटेस्टेड मीन साइंड बाय यू. आपको साइन करना है, उसका मीनिंग होगा सेल्फ अटेस्टेड. ठीक है. देन आईडी प्रूफ, दैट इज पैन कार्ड, आधार कार्ड, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, वोटर कार्ड. ऑल ऑफ देम आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. 1 or 2 will be enough. Mostly see Aadhaar card is necessary at every place. So Aadhaar card you need to carry with you for sure. With that, if you have PAN card, definitely you should carry the PAN card. DL if you have, that's okay. You don't have, not a problem. Voter card नहीं है, कोई problem नहीं. You can leave it. So I would suggest from here Aadhaar card and PAN card. After that, proof of age. That is this proof of age proof. So age proof, for the age proof they are asking you birth certificate. I know that lots of people of you don't have birth certificate. बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जिनका birth certificate नहीं मिल रहा होगा and you will be confused. Don't worry, if you don't have birth certificate, then you can go with the PAN card or Aadhaar card. PAN card, Aadhaar card work करेगा आपके proof के लिए. So if you have birth certificate, carry it. If you don't have, same PAN card, Aadhaar card will act as a ID proof also. It will act as a age proof also. Then after that, mark sheet, 10th class, 12th class, graduation, post graduation, if you have done post graduation, that one. So ये आपको ले जाना है original. All these document you need to carry original with the Xerox also. So take 3 copies at least. कितनी copies ले जाइएगा? 3 copies. 3 copies of all the document with self attested. तो आपको self attested at least 3 copies लेकर जानी है for all the document. I hope my statements are clear. So 10th, 12th, graduation, post graduation if you have done. If you don't have graduation degree, at least you need to carry provisional degree. So provisional degree is important, that is necessary. Then proof of computer literacy. Now in this lots of students are confused. बहुत सारे बच्चों को confusion है computer literacy में. So computer literacy, what they said, operating and working knowledge of computer system is mandatory. It is mandatory. That is, candidate should have computer certificate, diploma or degree in the computer. So if you have, एक point पढ़ना है यहाँ पर, if you have any computer or information technology as one subject in your high school, college or institute, it will also work. So if you are from engineering background, BCA, MCA, where anywhere, BSc, anywhere if you have computer or IT as a subject, either computer or IT as a subject during your graduation, during your class 10th, class 12th, then also it will work. अगर आपने पढ़ा हुआ है computer और IT as a subject, that will work. You don't need a separate certificate. आपको separate certificate की जरूरत नहीं है. But you have done Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Agriculture, and in that case, and you don't have any type of certification or any subject in the computer, then you need to carry the certificate of this. ठीक है, ये point clear हुआ? So what is computer certificate? Computer literacy you need to carry with you. That certificate you need to carry with you. Then after that, certificate of work experience if you were working. अगर आप working थे तो certificate of work experience. Even with the private company you can carry it. Not a problem. It is not necessary. It is not mandatory. But if you have work experience, then you need to carry it. Marriage certificate in case of name change. In case of name change, that previously you were writing Anjana Gupta and now you are started writing Anjana Agarwal, just for example. So in that case, you need to carry the marriage certificate, gazetted notification, that why your reason, what is the reason behind the name change. In your 10th, 12th mark sheet, graduation mark sheet, name is something else and now the name is something else on your document. So in that case, NOC only for the people, those who are working with Government of India, state government or public sector undertaking. If you are working with a private job, आप किसी भी private job में हैं, no NOC is required, कोई NOC का जरूरत नहीं है. Along with all these documents, you also need to carry 2 additional passport size photographs. ठीक है, तो ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको कैरी करने ऑन द डे ऑफ योर इंटरव्यू. कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड यू. नाउ देयर इज अ डेटा शीट व्हिच इज इश्यूड बाय LIC व्हिच यू नीड टू फिल एंड कैरी विथ यू फॉर द डे ऑफ इंटरव्यू. सो फॉर द एप्लीकेशन यू हैव अप्लाइड, फॉर द पोजीशन यू हैव अप्लाइड, तो आप अपना यहां पर पोजीशन लिख दीजिए, ऑफिस असिस्टेंट. आफ्टर दैट पेस्ट द फोटोग्राफ हियर. With that, what you need to do? Cross signature. तो इस पर भी आपका आ जाएगा cross signature. ठीक है, photograph and cross signature. Then fill the name in capital letter with surname. With surname first. So what you need to do? Like I am just giving you example. DUBEY. Dubey. Space छोड़ दो. Then after that ADITYA. अच्छे से भरना. ठीक है, मैं तो पेन टैप से लिख रहा हूँ. So you need to fill it and fill it by your own. Don't take the help of anyone कि उसकी handwriting अच्छी उससे भरवा लेता हूँ. Don't do that. Then correspondent address. If you are staying somewhere, for example, if you are staying in Bangalore and you belongs to Vizag, so Bangalore address will come here and Vizag address will come here. Just for example, ठीक है, समझने के लिए. You belongs to Hoshangabad, you are staying in Bhopal, so Bhopal address will come here and your permanent address will come here. तो ये तो आपको सबको समझ में आता है यहाँ पर क्या फिल करना है. After that, डेट ऑफ बर्थ यहां पर डे, मंथ एंड ईयर. सो प्रॉपरली यू नीड टू फिल. फॉर एग्जांपल 10/3/1996, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक दिस. तो लाइक दिस यू नीड टू फिल. नेशनलिटी डेफिनेटली IN, कैपिटल में ही भरो, INDIAN, इंडियन. तो ऐसे फिल करना है. ठीक है, वॉट एवर योर एज इज एंड मंथ टिल डेट. आफ्टर दैट यहां पर आ जाएगा मेल, फीमेल, अदर, मैरिटल स्टेटस. इफ यू आर मैरिड, अनमैरिड, डाइवोर्स. सो मैरिड है तो मैरिड पर क्लिक कर दीजिए, अनमैरिड है तो अनमैरिड पर. डोंट कट दीज थिंग्स लाइक दिस. इनको कट करने का जरूरत नहीं है. नो नीड टू कट. ओके, नो नीड टू कट. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन वॉट एवर योर स्टेटस इज. आफ्टर दैट द नेम ऑफ हस्बैंड इन केस ऑफ मैरिड लेडीज. इन केस ऑफ मैरिड लेडीज, नेम ऑफ हस्बैंड. Name of father in case of unmarried girls. ठीक है, I hope you are getting my point. For the boys, you need to fill what? Father's name. I hope you are getting my point. Boys, you need to fill father name. Then contact number, your contact number, not father contact number. Father का नहीं fill करना है contact number, आपको contact number fill करना है. One second. हाँ, name आ गया यहाँ पर. ठीक है, telephone ID, mobile number. Okay, so here you need to fill the contact number of father only. So father name and father contact number, because we have already filled our contact number here. हमने अपना भर दिया है यहाँ पर. So here it will be the contact number of father. मैं लिख दे रहा हूँ contact number of father और contact number of husband. So father या husband का contact number. Whether any relative is the employee in LIC HFL, yes or no. I was taking the interview of one girl recently, mock interview, and her brother was working with LIC HFL. So if any such relatives are there in LIC HFL, put on yes, otherwise no. So in case of yes, you need to fill the name, designation and office also where they are working, that all the details. Mother tongue जो भी आपकी है, like for in my case it is Hindi, so I'll fill here Hindi. ठीक है. Other languages which you can speak, write and read, so other languages, so I'll write here English. ठीक है, इंग्लिश, रीड राइट स्पीक में इंग्लिश इंग्लिश इंग्लिश, सब जगह वही फिल करना है, इंग्लिश इंग्लिश इंग्लिश. फिल इट प्रॉपरली, डोंट मेक दी साइन लाइक मी. होम टाउन जो भी होगा आपका, ठीक है, एंड बर्थ प्लेस. सो दीज आर द डिटेल्स यू नीड टू फिल. अभी और भी चीजें हैं. आफ्टर दैट एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन. एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन में आ जाएगा आपका दैट व्हाट यू हैव डन इन द एजुकेशन, लाइक ग्रेजुएशन. ग्रेजुएशन में आपने क्या किया हुआ है. सो ग्रेजुएशन इन माय केस इट वाज कंप्यूटर साइंस. कंप्यूटर साइंस, ठीक है. कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग. वो इंजीनियरिंग भी लिखना पड़ेगा, शॉर्ट में लिख देना CS कर देना, CS इंजीनियरिंग. लाइक दिस यू नीड टू फिल. आफ्टर दैट यूनिवर्सिटी तो आ जाएगा लाइक हियर RG, ओके, RGTU भोपाल. ठीक है. देन month and year of passing, in which year you got pass out, percentage and marks, class and division, so whatever your class division, first, second and third. So like this you need to fill. Similarly for the post graduation and other. After that computer qualification. So like in my case what I am going to do, I'll directly write here computer science engineering. So I'll write here again computer science engineering, again name of the university, year of passing and course of duration. So course of duration in case of engineering will come 4 year. तो 4 year का आपका यहाँ पर duration आ जाएगा 4 year. ठीक है. Then present previous employee detail, either private sector, public sector. You need to fill the organization, tenure, from when to when you have worked, position you hold and the salary which you have drawn. तो recent वाले से fill करना चालू करना. Like what was your last? If you have done work at 3 place, so you need to fill last 2. Last 2 यहाँ पर fill कर देना, first and second. ठीक है. Then the name of 2 references, preferably the professional references. If you don't have any professional references, write the name of anyone who is not in your blood relation or who is not your relative. तो किसी अंकल का नाम fill कर सकते हो, your father's friend, your friend's father, उनका नाम fill कर सकते हो यहाँ पर. Name, address, company designation, that you can fill here. ठीक है. any other information, इसको चाहो तो blank कर देना, NA कर देना. ठीक है. आगे आ जाओ. डिक्लेरेशन फिल करना है एंड आफ्टर डिक्लेरेशन योर सिग्नेचर. वन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, प्रेफरेंस फॉर्म. सो इन द प्रेफरेंस फॉर्म व्हाट यू नीड टू फिल, योर रोल नंबर विल कम हियर, पोजीशन you have applied, name of the candidate, date of interview, and you are applying for the junior assistants. Preference should be given within the respective state. So don't write the new state name. So for example, I am applying from Madhya Pradesh. Just for example, I am giving you example. I am applying for Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh, I can fill the preference like this: Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur. So like this I can fill the preference. ठीक है. Then date and signature, name and signature of the applicant. Now final thing, year and semester wise marks obtained and total percentage. So few of you people have got the grades and mark obtained as well. So whatever your mark obtained area have been given, जितना भी आपका mark obtained है from out of the total marks obtained out of the total marks, based on that you need to calculate your percentage और फिर उसको आप fill कर दीजिए. Semester wise आपको fill करना है. It will take time, so fill it properly. In the last, name of candidate, roll number and signature of the candidate in the last, and this area will be filled by the LIC officials. So you need not to fill this area, keep it vacant, इसको छोड़ देना. It will be filled by the LIC HFL officials. This was the total thing into that. So if you feel that although it was a 14-15 minute long video, but every information which is required for filling this data sheet I have given you. You can join our RRB interview batch for your upcoming preparation of interview. Till that time, keep watching Guidely. Take care guys. Jai Hind.